what better way to start the day than with some amazing simit.
Turkish cuisine has to be one of my all-time favorites, and I had started the first day of my trip to Istanbul with a simit or a Turkish bagel at the Sultan Ahmet Square. A simit is basically a Turkish bagel which is crusted with sesame seeds and sometimes as well with poppy, flax or sunflower seeds. It was really soft in the inside, but it was crunchy on the outside. What a great way to start the day at the Sultan Ahmet Square. After enjoying my simit, I went straight away for some Turkish coffee, and I also wanted to have an authentic Turkish breakfast.
So just ordered the Turkish coffee and menemen for breakfast. And if you don't know, then Turkish coffee is unfiltered coffee. It's really flavorful and I've been wanting to try it for a very long time now. And let's see how the menemen is. Thank you so much.
It was not a particularly busy morning, but the guy at the cafe had messed up the order. But I didn't mind in the end because I got to have Turkish tea as well as Turkish coffee at the same time. I've never eaten creamier scrambled eggs than this ever before in my life.
So the menemen has some eggs, tomatoes, peppers and spices. It's really tasty. It's like a tasty Turkish version of scrambled eggs.
This is exactly how scrambled eggs should be made all over the world. After having a heavy breakfast, I went inside the Hagia Sophia as well as a few other mosques and local sightseeing places near the Sultan Ahmet Square. I'm gonna be sharing all of this with you in my coming videos, but for now, let's move on with the food.
All this walking has really made me hungry, so I'm gonna go to one of the most visited restaurants in Sultan Ahmet Square. It's really popular, it's touristy, but still the food's really good over there. So they say they have one of the best koftas in Istanbul. Let's check out the koftas over there. So the place looks legendary and I've arguably got one of the best seats in the house. It's just next to the grill. Have a look.
This place did not disappoint me at all. I had some of the juiciest beef koftas ever in my life. Before the koftas arrived, I decided to order their shorba or the soup. The texture of the soup was not too thick, not too thin. It was a lentil soup and it gave me enough B vitamins and potassium for the day. I had the koftas along with a plate of gulab jamun and I enjoyed them a lot. It was surreal to dip the koftas into the in-house chili sauce and take a bite. After this amazing meal, I walked around a bit and then returned to my hotel. In the early evening, I went to Gala Kokoreç. It is very close to the Sirkeci tram stop.
So I've got one of the best seats in the house.
Kokoreç is basically grilled intestines. You can have them inside your sandwich or you can get them in a plate and have it with a bread separately. Don't let the thought of intestines deprive you of this amazingly juicy yet stringy, meaty meal. This can easily be one of the best dishes that I've eaten in Istanbul. I've tried many more classic Turkish dishes and I've visited many places across Turkey. I'll be sharing all of this with you guys in my coming videos across the next few days. So stick around and subscribe to this channel. And before going, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.